Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel everybody. In today's video, we are going to be installing this catback exhaust on this 2022 GR86. Before we get into the actual exhaust kind of installation and everything, I wanted to walk through. This is the first real kind of performance modification that we've done to the 86. Mike's not really a big modified car guy, so I had to do a lot of convincing to get him to do anything, splurge on any car parts at all. I think about a month and a half ago, we did actually have a stage 1 tune put on the car for 91, 93, and then a little bit of flex fuel stuff. I'll pop some pictures up on the screen for you guys to give you some graphs. On pump 91, the horsepower was around 190 to the wheels. The best run that we got out of the car was on 85 or close to 85. I think it was around E65 blend. We got it to 213, which net gain of 23 horsepower on a stock tune. Hopefully this catback exhaust bumps it by another couple horsepower, but we're not expecting a lot, maybe like 3, 4, 5. But other than that, let's get into help Mike unbox it. So we got the exhaust unboxed. We did end up going with a single tip exit. Mike likes that gangster JDM style, big single tip guy. We went with an HKS system. It's freaking kick-ass for quality. I don't know if it's really powder coated or just painted, but it's all gray. The welds are pretty good. Got a little silencer tank here on the mid pipe. Did come with big old dank tip. Nice HKS badge on the top. Got a little burnt end on here, you know? So we're gonna get the car in the air. We're gonna run through taking the stock exhaust off, and then we'll get right into installing this bad boy. For that though, we gotta get how it sounds now. Basically just sounds like a vacuum cleaner.
It's not loud, yeah.
Really showing off your big cojones there, aren't you?
Not loud.
No?
Not loud.
So you're looking forward to
We're looking for more loud.
Alrighty, so basically what we're looking at, right up in here, you have the vacuum cleaner, and we're gonna be replacing this. We're gonna be replacing all this, right up to here, I think. It is called a catback. If you don't know why it's called a catback, it's because Michael has a little kitty cat in his exhaust, and we're gonna go from there backwards, because certain people don't like when you take your kitty cat out of your exhaust. Mike, you grabbing tools over there, guy?
Grab tools.
Perfect. You need a light up there, Mike? 10-13. I was just straight up looking into his nose hairs there. All right, this guy's taking too long. We're gonna get into some B-roll. We'll speed it up a little bit. We'll get back with you guys when we got a little bit different looking stuff up here.
Yeah, so we took off the stock exhaust there. You saw that. That was pretty quick. Easy peasy. It's a lot easier when the car's not rusted and falling apart. And yeah, get the torch out just to get the old exhaust off. So now we got part 1 here, big pipe, just slapping it up there. A couple of bolts, easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy. Are you sure that's going the right way?
Yep, 100%. You go look at the little Japanese picture. It all.
You can read
Japanese.
Mike,
I can read Japanese.
Mike can read.
Can't speak Japanese, but I can read Japanese.
All right, we got look at the fancy spring. Even our exhaust is on coilovers, bruh. Would you hold it steady, dude?
Yeah, I'm in here.
All right. Dude, we even got little
I gotta
sticker.
keep holding this.
Dude, look at it. We got a fortune cookie on here. Look at that. Fortune cookie.
It says you will
Feel the burn. Got that?
feel the burn. Yeah, that's what.
That's why it's red.
Took me a bit. That's some different Japanese. I don't know that Japanese.
Well, doesn't there's two different, isn't there?
No, that's
No?
Chinese.
Oh. I swear.
It's Mandarin and Cantonese there for all you
For all,
language
for all the
freaks.
folks at home, for kids, listen up. This is an educational video right here. Sorry, I'm having some issues. Oh, here, hold that.
For John to get his nuts in order.
Look at their brand new nuts, dude.
Nice and shiny.
I just got them yesterday. I just got them last week.
Used to be Johanna last week.
Jeez, Mike.
we need the
Well, I think it's probably
gasket.
I think it's. Oh shoot.
Do we? Yeah,
I don't think it is.
Yeah, well,
Is
there's
it?
2 gaskets.
What?
And there's only 2 connections left.
None right there. That's actually pretty sweet. Get in here quick. Look at this little. Look at this
I don't
little.
think that's coming off.
No, it's not. But it's like a little silver ring gasket going. I don't even know. You know?
Fancy dancy, fresh from Japan.
Got that freshie. All right. You can swing that pipe up here, Mike. Try and
Do my best here, dude.
try and. He's not used to something this big. There you go. Here, we can get that in there quick. Oh, dude! What are you doing, bro? You get some of that. What? Lubrication. We need to
stretch it
No, we just need some lubrication. Just a little bit of lube.
Because we put lube on the other side, we gotta put lube on this side.
All right. Yeah, see? Look at how easy it went in. And you got lube on my shirt, Mike. Feel wet. How's this guy talking about? What do you got going on there, Mike?
Just chomped a popsicle in the half a second we've been sitting here. Are we gonna?
Oh, you want me to
Yeah,
start
yeah,
going
yeah,
now?
yeah.
All right. You gotta line them holes up there.
Dude,
Mike.
I can't see. Blind. I'm actually the only U.S. resident that's blind and has a driver's license. Location, dude. I'm a dolphin.
Location. You have to roll your windows down all the time then?
Yeah,
Like-
yeah. I drive my
And then,
windows down.
and then you're like, out the window.
So basically, usually I run AT tires on any car I drive because that's the easiest way I can tell what kind of road surface I'm driving on.
Hold that for me.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa. Can you get her up there, guy, or what are we doing here? Oh, raggedy. Oh, slips right on. Like she was meant to be there. Can't scratch the dang tip. Oh. Dude, look at how freaking dank that thing looks. Get up in there. Can you see that? Can you see that slide? Can you see that slide on the side? Can you see that? So the tip basically has an adjustment to where I think if we loosen it, Mike, you want maximum dank or what?
Maximum dank.
We're gonna give him the maximum dank, you know what I'm saying? Here, film yourself quick so he can film the car and then I want like a close-up reaction on your face. Wide angle, zoomed in on myself.
Alright guys, we're here about to react to the exhaust pipe.
Back there, bud.
What?
So ready.
It's already so loud. It's already so loud.
Maximum dank, engage. Dude, that's actually way better.
That's fucking awesome, bro. Holy shit.
Alright, we're gonna we gotta go drive it. We gotta go get some driving clips. So we're gonna stick a GoPro on the back of the car so we can get better audio. We're gonna get a GoPro or a camera on the inside, and then we might be doing a little spinny boy out in the parking lot, see how she sounds on red line. You ready, Mike?
Sure.
He doesn't seem ready to do some spinny boys. It's time to send it, man. We got this exhaust installed. It's time to see what she's got. You know what I'm saying?
They just blowing it. Go ahead and check the stats. Yeah, numbers gone, it's a fact. Go ahead and check the stats. Yeah, I found a glitch in the code. Exploit that, now glitch in the gold. Spit blueprints like a list in the hole in the floor. Got a hit 17 in the stove. Kids on the code. Man, shit, so I see with the boat if it goes. But we all know that I'm wrong. Don't run waves, just go with the flow. I don't need a beat, I don't need a train. I don't need your little coaster. Still I really did it. Everybody listen, did it all in like no time. Look, this is not up for debate. Nah, I know that they like it. If I make a hit, then I'm gunning for first like I'm running the bases. Stuck in the matrix, I know that I had to break it. I see the code every time at the basics. I gave them back to back to back. 3 tracks, 3 days, and it's a vacation. I play the cards I was dealt. Lucky for me, it's a coming.
Wow.
I made it worth it. That was scary.
Doing, bro? I appreciate you guys watching the video. Don't worry, this won't be the last mod that we do to Mike's 86. I think he's got a big smile on his face. He's liking it. I think this is only the start. You know what I'm saying? But as always, if you guys like the video, hit the subscribe button. If you guys like the video, hit the like button. And if you guys like the video, comment down below what you want us to do next. If you guys have any ideas, if you guys have a problem with us, do whatever you want. But just go down below, you know? Man.
Oh, we're not done.
We'll see you guys next time.